Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering what matters: the Windows ISO and enough free disk space. Once done, update Mac OS and verify the ISO integrity so installation won't fail mid-process. Make sure File Vault is off and Sleep is disabled. This prevents interruptions during partitioning. Next, open Bootcamp Assistant and choose the option to install without a USB if available, or use the ISO directly. You're now ready to create the Windows partition. Proceed carefully, because partition sizes are not trivial to change later. Once the partition step begins, select the ISO and set a target size. Allocate at least 64 GB and 128 GB if you plan to install apps. Bootcamp will handle partitioning, watch progress, and avoid canceling. When the Mac restarts into the Windows installer, choose the Bootcamp partition and format it as NTFS. This is essential so Windows accepts the drive. Continue through the Windows setup, enter product keys, choose regional settings, and let the installer copy files. Be patient, large ISOs take time to expand and install. You finish by installing Bootcamp drivers from the Bootcamp Assistant download or Apple's installer package. Drivers enable keyboard, trackpad, and GPU features. Once drivers are installed, run Windows Update and reboot twice to ensure stability. Make sure to check Device Manager for missing drivers and install any additional vendor drivers. If something goes wrong, for example, the Mac won't boot into Mac OS, restore your Time Machine snapshot or use Internet Recovery to revert changes. Then retry the partition with a different size.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.